Gulu City Mayor welcomes political alliance to unlock northern Uganda's growth. Mayor Labeja Julius Acire is leveraging cross-city cooperation to accelerate investment in the rapidly expanding logistics and commercial hub. A strong alliance will fetch many dividends. Gulu City Mayor Labeja Julius Acire has signaled a new era of cross-administration cooperation, revealing that he recently hosted a courtesy call from a fellow political leader to discuss shared urban challenges. In a post on his official account, the mayor expressed enthusiasm for building a formal alliance. So the issues between her two cities are homogeneous. That's in a quote. Mayor Labeja noted that the challenges facing Gulu are similar to those in other growing Ugandan municipalities. He urged that a unified approach would allow the cities to pool resources and negotiate better outcomes for residents, particularly regarding infrastructure and trade access.
We salute Knight Frank for their leadership. As part of the $500 billion economy that government is building, we need two things. We need something we call goal consensus. That means bringing together the different players to see the same outcome. And I think that today's conference has served that purpose. Secondly, there are 5 things that are going to deliver this $500 billion economy. At the Ministry of Finance, Planning and Economic Development, we summarize them as clean up, team up, green up, skill up, and then link up. So today was a very good opportunity for the team up element with the private sector and government, and then different players between the central and the city governments, but also the different cultural institutions that define Gulu. We also thank Gulu leadership for providing leadership in terms of being pioneers.
A strong alliance and cooperation will see us fetch many dividends for her people, in quotes. The mayor emphasized that cooperation is not just diplomatic but economic. By aligning their development agendas, the cities can attract more joint ventures in real estate and industry, ensuring that the prosperity of the Northern Growth Corridor benefits ordinary citizens. The visit, confirmed by Alionzi Lawrence, also known as Dangote, involved discussions on how to harmonize policies between the two urban centers. Lawrence posted that he had held a fruitful meeting with Mayor Labeja at his office, where he congratulated him upon assuming office. The social media exchange highlights a shift toward decentralized diplomacy, where local leaders take the initiative to drive regional trade. This comes as Gulu positions itself as a natural node for trade with South Sudan and DR Congo, requiring seamless coordination with neighboring cities to manage cross-border logistics and supply chains. The mayor's push for alliances comes amid a significant transformation in Gulu. Since attaining city status in 2021, its boundaries have expanded nearly 5-fold, triggering a real estate boom. While poverty in the Acholi sub-region has dropped from 67.7% to 20.5% in a decade, gaps remain in high-end hospitality and modern retail. With the Gulu city Land Board now easing registration processes and guaranteeing approvals within 30 days. Mayor Labeja's outreach suggests that political will is catching up with infrastructure investment, aiming to turn the former conflict zone into a premier investment frontier.